Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is a review of a banknote from Bangladesh. It's a 50 Tara banknote. And it has the portrait of a lady, and this lady here, there we go, this lady is Anata, and is the current Prime Minister of Bangladesh, and it's Taka. The train here is a Taka metro rail, and this banknote is celebrating the opening of this particular metro rail. It was issued on the 28th of February 2022 and is one of the few commemorative notes in Bangladesh. On the rear we have obviously the values, and we also have a picture of the train en route to somewhere. It is a greenish colour that fades into the picture. We have the red writing going across the top. We have the issue year there, and we have the Bangladesh arms there. So anyway, this here is that's the serial number of the note. I'm trying to find the issue date. I got the issue date off the off the website, so I think it was New Mister. I am not 100% sure what this is. I don't know whether it's representation of 50 and then some form of I don't know, some form of abbreviation or a word even. Maybe it's Taka 50, Taka and then 50, I don't know. But it's a modern note and it looks modern. It doesn't have any ancient figures or anything from mythology or anything like that. This is a modern note from a modern country. Bangladesh didn't come into being until after the Second World War. It was originally known as East Pakistan and became Bangladesh sometime after the after Indian independence and India and Pakistani independence, which was in about 1947. As I said, originally it was known as East Pakistan, and Pakistan, as it now is, was known as West Pakistan. I'm not exactly sure. I think it was in the 1950s that East Pakistan became Bangladesh. Either in the 60s or 70s, East Pakistan became Bangladesh and West Pakistan became Pakistan. It's all three of them are part of what is generally called the Indian subcontinent. Both of them will have borders. Pakistan's sea border is on the Indian Ocean, and Bangladesh's, I believe, I'm not sure if it's the Indian Ocean or the Pacific. So Bangladesh is probably the poorer of the three in what it is and the way that it stands in the economic world economic lists. I remember for quite a while Bangladesh had 2 or 3 appeals from Blue Peter for things like fresh water and to help out with the farming implements and things like that. So I remember it from my childhood quite well, and it was known as both East Pakistan and Bangladesh during that time period. What do I think of the note? To be honest, it's a decent note. It shows transport, which has always been popular amongst collectors. It's modern in the way that it looks. and the way that it feels. I quite enjoyed looking at this note and having this note in the collection. I'm not sure what other notes that they've got that have been commemorative, but I quite enjoy this one and I look forward to seeing some more in the future. Tell me what you think down in the comments. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I should also probably include banknotes in that as well, since this is a banknote video. I do a minimum of 4, but just recently I've been releasing 5 videos a week. I'm looking to upgrade or uplift my number of subscribers again this year. I'm aiming for 250 and have around about 100 and sort of late 180s at the moment. Approximately, according to the statistics, you know, those things, the numbers that make up the stats, around about, I'm getting over 1,000 views a month on my videos, but about 80% of the people who are watching aren't actually subscribed. So if you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel? And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, thank you, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.